My greatest profit in the market has come from sniper entry. Ask me how. I'll tell you. When I initially started forex, after I learned from some South Africans and others, I went into the market with $10. I lost down to $1 and I used sniper entry to raise $1 in 12 hours to $130. That would have blown your mind, right? Yes, $130 in 12 hours, and that was my first cash out using sniper entry. Since then, sniper entries has been my baby. Sniper entries are the greatest entries you can ever make. They give you an edge in the market. Imagine entering a market at the point where it just reversed, or at the point where there is a complete reversal or complete retracement. How do you figure this out? I'll give you a secret. The place you put your stop loss when you take a trade are potential areas for sniper entry. The market makers will always come to the area of stop loss to gather more liquidity in order to gain momentum to continue the dominant trend. So sometimes you enter a market and then you lock your market. The place you put your stop loss becomes a sniper entry. For me, I believe that there must be a retest, and these market makers will always retest below or above your entry position. It will touch your stop profit and continue the dominant trend. So your stop profit is my sniper entry. Figure that out yourself or meet me in the next class. Let's milk it.
Bro, Baba FX shop for you.